Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have two contenders in the grooming arena. On the left, we have the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades, and on the right, the Andis TS117,235 Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. The Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades come in at a cool $34. Not too shabby, but hold on, the Andis TS117,235 Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver demands a bit more attention, with a price tag of $67. Ouch, that's double the price of the OneBlade. Is it really worth it? Let's find out. Now, let's talk about durability. The OneBlade claims that 3 blades can last up to 12 months. That's impressive, but the Andis TS117,235 Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver doesn't fall behind. With its gold titanium foils, it promises 0 finishes and is ideal for even the most sensitive skin. So, durability-wise, both products seem to hold their ground. Performance is key when it comes to grooming gadgets. The OneBlade trims, edges, and shaves any length of hair. Plus, it has a glide coating and rounded tips to protect your skin. But wait, the Andis TS117,235 Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver boasts a turbocharged motor running at 9,000 RPM for a more powerful shaving experience. It's like having a mini rocket on your face. Performance-wise, the Pro Foil Shaver takes the lead. Versatility is always a plus. The OneBlade can be used dry or wet with foam, and you can even take it into the shower. Talk about convenience. On the other hand, the Andis TS117,235 Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver comes with a pop-up trimmer for those precise touch-ups. It's like having a mini barber in your pocket. Versatility-wise, it's a tough call. Now, let's talk about battery life. The OneBlade powers through even the longest hair, but it doesn't give us any specifics on the battery. On the other hand, the Pro Foil Shaver has a lithium-ion battery that delivers an industry-leading 2 hours of cordless runtime. That's impressive. You can practically shave your entire neighborhood with that kind of battery life. Both have their strengths and weaknesses, but it ultimately comes down to what you value most in a grooming tool. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the OneBlade might be your best bet. But if you want top-notch performance and don't mind splurging a bit, the Pro Foil Shaver could be your new best friend. Remember, always buy smart and make informed decisions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay sharp and stay smart.